Guys, welcome back to our channel One2Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can sign out of your GoCardless account. So to do that, first of all, you need to be in the GoCardless dashboard right over here. And now go to this option, settings over here, right next to the search. Tap on it, scroll a bit down, and then you'll see the option sign out. So if you just tap on sign out, you'll be able to sign out of your GoCardless account. So guys, that's how you sign out of your GoCardless account. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.